Autotek, and today we're going to talk about a few ways that you can look out for your mechanic and see if the person you're going to is really up to snuff and the quality mechanic that you want, or maybe a place you should be steering away from. Now, here at Saul's Autotek, we take pride in our inspections. We take pride in the fact that we look over every vehicle that comes through the door, and we want to make sure that you know everything about your vehicle from the very start, so that before you make any financial decisions, especially while we do our free diagnostic, that you can make an informed decision about how you spend your dollar. One of the ways that we can guarantee that is by the way we do our inspections. We do a 60-point inspection on every vehicle that comes in our door, whether it's for an oil change or for an engine. We digitize them. We actually use iPads so that we can take pictures of them, of every note and every detail along the way, and we upload those directly to our service writer so that you, the owner, can review those before you actually authorize any repairs on your vehicle. Part of the reason we do this is for consistency and for your own peace of mind. You may have a mechanic call you one day and say, there's a leak from here and we want to fix it and it costs this much money. Well, you should be asking that mechanic what that leak is and can they show you a picture of it and how they determine that. You'll never have to ask those questions at Saul's Autotek because those pictures will be provided in every estimate report for any leak or any seal issue of any kind. Mechanic, and they can't show you any evidence of what's going on, or they don't have sound testing procedures to show you how they got the results and why they believe that's the current failure, you should be skeptical. If you're concerned about the mechanic you're at, or you just want a second opinion, call us here at Saul's Autotek. We're here 7 days a week at 303-919-7769 to answer your questions and help keep you on the road. If you're worried about yours, or if you've got a concern and you just want to make sure you're in the best hands, come and see us. Can't wait.